Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to set a premiere on your YouTube channel. So of course first you have to upload, make sure you upload your video into private first, and then soon as it's been uploaded, go to here, YouTube beta, and then we'll have to go to videos. And as you can see, I already have this video uploaded and I put it on private that it's ready to get premiered. So all you have to do, click that. Make sure all your descriptions are good to go. Your thumbnails are done, and your tags, and of course your end cards. And here you could actually pick a playlist where you want to add it, or you could actually create a new playlist here, see, and then you can name it something. And for now we're just gonna add it to the shopping because this is kind of like shopping and stuff, and click done and save. So make sure, like for the monetization, if you're monetized already, to turn it on, and then click whatever needs to be clicked there. It's up to you, it's your preference as well. So I just click, and then I just let YouTube decide for my ads, but it's gonna be up to you. And let's go back to here. See, we will so here again, you have to make sure here we'll set public, and then set time for later. You can actually pick which day or time you want here. So let's say we'll do it today, and we will do it for later, this afternoon, before around 6 or 7 p.m. So we will just check here. So let's do 7 p.m. and then see, soon as it's done, so it says today streaming going to be public later on, and then click done here, and then save. So, and then we will check in our let's go search my name. Search my name, just JCA, and you can actually see it there if you click my channel, and you can actually see it down below here. See, set premiered, and then you can actually click a bell button to remind yourself too. So if you click this one here, open, and set reminder here, you can see that it's gonna be on later, 4 hours later, and then set reminder on, and it's actually going to notify you 30 minutes before the premiere starts. So I hope you learned something for today, and if you have any questions, just let me know. And again, I'm gonna be doing a few more tutorials later on. So thank you so much for dropping by in my channel. So to those of you who are first time coming in here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button as well, so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. So I hope to see you again next time. Bye. Mwah.